Hi there, today we'll be creating one store database and few tables inside it. So let's imagine that we have a store in which there are a set of products available. Customer will come and they'll make their orders and they'll buy those particular products. So here we can create product, customer and order tables to track or to store the information of products, customer and the orders that they are making. Now let's see how we can do that. So let's open the MySQL application. So click on that connection that you have created and use the password that you have created while installing the MySQL application. So this is the interface of MySQL application. So before creating the store database, let's see how many databases are available in our system right now. Simply type so databases and it will give you the list of the databases. Okay, it got run. As you can see, we have information schema, MySQL and performance schema and sys database. All these four databases are system generated databases. So we'll go through with them in depth later. For now, let's create our store database. Okay, for that simply type create database store and run it. Okay, so in our action output you can see that our store database has been created and it's available in our schemas pane. Simply refresh it and you will see this store. Currently we don't have any tables or views created inside it, so it's empty. You can also run this store databases again, and instead of 4 you will also see store database is listed here as well. So as you can see that we have 5 different databases available in our system right now. So which one to use? To perform any actions, first you have to select the database which you want to use. Simply put the clause use and the database name store. Put the semicolon and run it, and our store database will be in action now. Now we can simply create the tables. So first table that we'll be creating is product table. To create that, simply type create table. Now we need to put the table name, which will be product, and use the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we need to define the column names. So first column will be id, which will be the integer data type. It will be the primary key of our table that will be automatically incremented for each row. For that we need to use the auto increment, and we can also assign primary key to it. Now put comma. Remember, you can create your own primary key or assign primary key to any columns if you want. The second column would be product name. It will be varchar data type and the length of it will be 30. Now again the next column would be price column. So we'll also setting the price of the product and it will be of float data type. Now close the parenthesis, hit the semicolon and select the code and run it, and your table will be created. So as you can see in action output that our table product has been created. Now let's see if it has been created or not. So we can simply write so tables, and all the tables inside the store database will come out. Okay, so tables. Now you can see that the product table has been created. You can also check it in schema. Simply refresh it and expand the table, and you can see that the product is created. Inside it we have columns, indexes, foreign keys and triggers that we can also assign while creating the product table. In the same way we also need to create customers and orders table as well. So for the customer table, use create table, call it as customer, use parenthesis. So in customer table as well, the first column will be id, it will be int data type, and it will also be auto increment. Assign primary key to it, use comma. Then the second column will be first name, that will define the name of the customer, and it will be of varchar data type. Give the length as 30. Then the third column would be last name of the customer, the same data type and with the same length. Now next column is gender. So for gender we can assign the enum data type, which is also the string data type, and inside it we'll use m and f. That means gender can only have an m or f, male or female. So enum is also a string based data type that lets you define a fixed set of value. So if you have assigned m or f in it, you cannot use any other values inside that gender column. It will reject those values. It will only take m or f value in it. And the last column is phone number of customer. Let's use phone number, and it will be of varchar data type, the length of 11 digits, let's say 11 digits. Simply close the parenthesis, use the semicolon, and select the code and run it. Okay, a table got created. Run the show table again, and you'll see that customer and product tables are there. Now let's create the last orders table. So for that, use create table orders. We'll use the id column for this one as well. Simply copy it and paste it here. Now the second column would be product id of int data type, then customer id of int data type, and what was the time of the order. So use the order time, and it will be of date time data type. Run this table, select column, select the code and run it, and you'll see that the orders table has been created as well. Okay, use the show tables. Okay, so as you can see, we have created all the three tables that we wanted to create, and all these are there inside our schema as well. Try few examples from your end, and I'll see you in the next one.